India is a spiritual country. It is among the most diverse of countries on the global due to its diverse geographics, different cultures and hundreds of languages and dialects. North India has Himalaya ranges, which are one of the coldest places. Northwest India has vast Thar Desert, which is one of the driest places. Eastern India has Cherrapunji, which has highest rainfall on Mother Earth. More than half of Indian boundary is decorated with fabulous beaches. Its places are mesmerizing. Indian people operate as one single democratic country, which is seen best at Delhi. Delhi, a land that cases the pride of being national capital of magnanimous nation called India. Delhi is also a union territory. Delhi is at par with any other city in the world. Hello friends, I am Madhuri Nikra. You should know these facts about New Delhi before you land. History and culture. During Mahabharata times, Pandava brothers established Delhi in former small settlement near river Yamuna. They built a magnificent fortress and named the place as Indraprastha. In the Mahabharata, a Hindu epic text, Pandavas are 5 acknowledged sons of Pandu. Their names are Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakul and Sahadev. These 5 brothers were married to a woman called Draupadi. A village called Indrapatta existed within the fort walls in support of this, and the old fort is speculated as site of the Pandavas' palace. Since 800 BC, more than 100 rulers from 15 dynasties tried to change the face and faith of Delhi. Some of them are Tomar Rajputs, Chauhan Rajputs, Gauri dynasty, Mamluk or Slab dynasty, Qutubuddin Aibak, Shamsuddin Iltutmish, Raziat-ud-Din Sultana, Ghiyasuddin Balban, Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Lodi dynasty, Sur dynasty, Mughal dynasty, which started with Humayun and went to Bahadur Shah Zafar before East India Company entered India. Delhi is biggest witness to the political turmoil for over 5 centuries, among which its city rose up from dust and turned to a paradise. Old Havelis and edifices from the past stand silent, but their silence speaks volumes of their owners and people who lived here since centuries. The structure of Delhi mostly comprise the architectural monuments and buildings which have become the perfect example of the ancient day history. Delhi is 8th largest metropolis of the world. It found her modern name New Delhi in 1927. It is inaugurated as a capital on 13th February 1931. Delhi was designed on a radial plan by British architect Sir Edwin Landseer Lutyens, who also shaped the architectural design and buildings such as Rajpath, Patiala House and India Gate. Both Lutyens Delhi and the walled city of Delhi, once called Shahjahabad, have together been nominated as UNESCO World Heritage City. Lutyens Delhi was the last great construction project of the British in India. Delhi has a mix of the traditional and modern cultures, and it is melting pot of all kinds of people. Old Delhi is upholding the old traditions and the values of the past. It is usually said, "ये केवल शहर नहीं बल्कि एक महफिल है," which means that Delhi is not only a city but it is a gathering. Delhi comes as a mother of the modern lifestyles. Its culture is a unique culture which is a kind of synthesis and reflection of all the states of India. People at Delhi counts amongst the most hospitable people across in India. They are helpful, cheerful, always smiling and eager to help and treat their guests with great honor and respect. There is a very popular saying in Hindi, Delhi Dil Walon Ki, which means that Delhi belongs to the large-hearted and daring people. The exact location and ways to travel. Delhi boasts of a new international airport called Indira Gandhi International Airport. From airport to proper Delhi is approximately 1 hour 15 minutes away. Delhi Metro is one of the fastest ways to commute in Delhi. It is nice to buy a metro card and add some cash on it rather than purchasing a new ticket for every ride. Metro get you to almost all the attractions. It is clean, efficient and extremely cheap. After getting off the metro, you can either walk or take a short auto rickshaw ride to anywhere you want to go. Bus services operate at Terminal 3 at the staging area opposite Sanctuary Hotel. If you are boarding at New Delhi railway station, you can find a prepaid taxi booth which is run by Delhi Police. These are safe and least expensive. Knowledge of basic language. People often try to sell things such as photos, keychains and ballpoint pens in front of popular landmarks. In India, to ward off unwanted people, if you are a foreign traveler, please learn a small word NAHI. Nahi. It is a Hindi word which means no. Best time to visit. If you want to enjoy the pleasant weather in Delhi, then the months between October and March are the best to visit. Rest of the year, it is really hot and very dry. The temperatures go well above 40 degrees Celsius. Whenever you visit, it is equally important to keep yourself well hydrated with water, and some headwear is helpful. Wear something loose and light in color since light color clothes absorb less heat. Please have wet napkins to wipe you. Difference in cultural behavior. India is primarily a spiritual country. Like many other religious places, it is required to take off your footwear before entering any shrine. Cover your head with a scarf if you are a man. It does not really matter what you wear unless you are going into a mosque or temple. Please do not attract more people to overcharge or sell you stuff by looking flashy. Always good to save some money on a trip. India is a place where bargaining is considered your right. Even if you find fixed price board on some shops, you can still bargain with them. Considering that your hotel is not a star hotel, the hotel room prices can also be bargained if you have not booked at the hotels online. People in India usually bargain on souvenir shops and big auto rickshaw drivers. Please do not hesitate to bargain. Also bargain before taking any ride. Watch what you eat and drink. India is a land of diversity where the food and water changes every 200 kilometers. So its street food is famous across the globe and you can try all the different cuisines that you lay your hands on. But be cautious as a trip with an upset stomach is not at all thinkable. Please carry filtered water and eat at clean and hygienic places only. Be aware of the pollution. You should keep a mask, a scarf and makeup remover with you, as you may need to clean your face due to dust and pollution at some places. If you are a single person or a couple driving, then do not take hitchhikers specifically in the night.
ओ क्या है भाजी? ओ कुलचा शुलचा खाओगे दिल्ली का? वो किस होटल में ठहरे हो जी?